Are you in search of the ideal place to stay during college? Look no further than Nosha's student accommodation in Washington, D.C. Offering a range of studios and shared apartments, this residence ensures spacious rooms featuring plush beds and convenient side tables. Play dress up in front of the mirror after a refreshing shower in your private bathroom. Post-college, enjoy streaming your favorite show on Netflix with free high-speed Wi-Fi. The accommodation goes beyond the basics, providing additional amenities like a fitness center, a bar for socializing with friends, and a rooftop terrace, where you can experience beautiful sunsets. Additionally, the proximity to universities such as George Washington University and American University makes Nosha popular among students. Explore the vibrant nightlife by going bar hopping to Service Bar DC or All Souls Bar, among other options. After classes, grab a bite of your favorite pizza from the Italian kitchen or relish delectable kebabs from Salt and Pepper Grill. Unwind on weekends by visiting attractions like the United States Botanic Garden or the Lincoln Memorial, easily accessible by boarding a bus from the nearest bus stop. Discover your perfect place. Book your stay at Nosha Student Accommodation, Washington, D.C. via amberstudent.com.